What's up, everyone? Today we're showing you a 2022 Sea Ray SPX 230. This has a 250 horsepower MerCruiser engine. We'll hop on the top side, show you a little bit more. At the bow of the boat, we have this awesome playpen area. This bow filler cushion can be removed for additional leg space, but as you can see, plenty of space here as we're cruising along to get a nice forward-facing view. One of the really cool features on this SPX 230, you don't see this very often in 23-foot boats. We do have a head compartment for a porta potty. Obviously, if you have kids on the water, this is very convenient for them to be able to use the restroom and not have to make a special trip to the dock or a restaurant to interrupt that boating experience. At the helm, we have a nice Simrad display. You can break this out any way you like: tachometer, speedometer, along with the map and your depth readings with all digital gauges. We also have our Fusion audio head unit with Bluetooth, and then we also have our light and bilge toggle switches on either side of the steering wheel. At the midship of the boat, we have a nice deep storage locker for our skis, boards, life jackets, anything that we're bringing with us on the water that particular day can fit right in here. Our co-captain seat is also adjustable. We can either face forward, backwards, or this can lay completely flat and have an extended lounge space. We've also got this removable and stowable table, very nice for hosting, food, drinks, snacks, all of that stuff. The walkway through the transom is lighted. You've also got additional storage right here, and of course a transom door that's going to keep everyone safe on board. This space is also really convenient. You can hold a 12-volt air compressor for your inflatable toys, and you can plug it in right here with a 12-volt outlet. It's a little hard to see today because it's so bright and beautiful, but these cup holders are lighted, so when that sun goes down, you're going to have a little bit of an elevated experience with those blue LED lights. At the transom, we have this nice sun pad that can be flipped up into a rear aft-facing lounger, which is really nice. Watch as people are swimming, or if you pull up to a sandbar, you can sit here very comfortably and chat with your buddies. We've also got a convenient tow eye for our skiing, wakeboarding, and inner tubing needs. And then on our tower, we also have a ski pylon for elevated water sports. This tower is foldable, so if you're backing into the garage or pulling this boat into your lift, you can lower this tower down. A little bit easier with two people than with one, but if you got some upper body strength, you can do it no problem. This also has a folding bimini as well. Keep your passengers nice and cool on those hot days on the lake. Last but not least, we have our manual fold down swim step, a nice launching pad for the kids or the pets to jump into the water. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Crosslake location and see this boat for yourself.